Once more. Here, print. See? The page is getting printed. Look, page.
All your items are coming now.
Yeah, those page is printed.
See, all these items you have to go and buy. So now you are going to the shop to buy all these items. You can take this paper with you. Take this paper.
The paper.
And then also you can take. And like this, both of you can go to the shop and buy. And after that, you can check all the items and you come with all these items, okay?
Together. Oh, Patla.
First, we will take everything that is on top. Okay. First, we will take everything that is on top. Pencil, eraser, sewing scissors on top. Okay. On top. Adu, see, first we have to take pencil. See, pencil. The pencils are here. Come, take one pencil. Pencil. Take one. Good boy. So, Addu took pencil. Come here. Take this. So, pencil we have taken. Addu, now we're going to take a book. Okay? So, take this book. Take it. Go keep it. Addu, now we have to take some erasers. We have to take 2 erasers. So, take 2. 1, put it there. 2. Good boy. Now mark. Eraser. Done. Good boy. Buy some crayons. So take one crayon packet. Good boy. Put it there. Good boy. Addu is a good boy. Good boy. Crayon. Now we have to take some sketch pens. See, sketch pens are here. Take the sketch pen. Put it there. Good boy. Take this. Mark. Sketch pen. Good boy. Addu's being a good boy. Addu, now we have to take 2 whiteboard markers. So take 2. 1, 2. One more. Good boy. Now take this. Go put. Here. Good boy. Addu, now we have to take a permanent marker. So take one marker from here. Good boy, Addu got a permanent marker. Now go keep in the cover. Put it there. Good boy. Now let's mark. Permanent marker there. Done. Good boy. Addu, now we have to take white chalk box. Okay? Come, let's take some chalk boxes. Take this. Good boy, get that. Take that. Now go there. Take this. Put it there. Good boy. Now take this. Mark here. White chalk box. Done. Good boy. Addu, now we have to take some chart papers. Okay? Yes. Take this. Take this chart paper. Good boy. Now go keep. Go keep. Good boy. Now come mark. Take. Mark your chart paper. Done. Good. Addu, now we have to take a tissue roll. Okay, tissue roll. Take one. Good boy. Put it there. Yes, good boy. Now mark. boy. See, now we have to take some face wash. So, okay. So take one face wash here. Take one. Good boy. That's Chandrika. Put it here. Now, let's mark. Some face wash. Good boy. Some scissors. Scissors. Take the scissors. Good boy. Keep it there. Now, scissors. Good boy. Do. Now we have to pick them up and put it here for giving the bill. We finished everything, so now we have to take it here. Good boy. Come, Addu. Now we have to take the billed items and put it here. So put it here. Good boy. Take. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, do. Good boy. Perfect. Addu, we'll give you when we reach home. Put it there. Put it. We have to give money. Okay, we bought all these items, we have to give money. So give the card. Give him the card. Good boy. Wait. Now we have to type the code. See? Take the bill. Put it. Take that. Give it to Arsha.
Your bag. And take your materials too. Yesterday you bought all the materials, no? You take all that things and give it to teacher, okay? All that for your school work. Oh.